Now I'm nervous, but you know, I can't control that. The training is done. Now it's time to just stay the course, stay healthy, stay fit right now, keep it intense, and get there. And then give them hell when I'm there. That's all I can do, is do my fucking best. That's all I got. And I do like competing in person. I like to see the guys I'm chasing down. So that's what I'm gonna do in a couple weeks. It'll be okay. I think it'll be okay. We'll find out. Just finished session number 2 today. Felt really good to be back on track. 2 full sessions, solid regular day of eating. I just thought I would just share this super simple dinner that I'm having. This is exactly what my body needs. These are chicken breast tenders, and I've got white rice, and this is just zucchini, all on the grill over there. So I think of zucchini as, you know, a green carb, but it doesn't have much carbs in it at all. You could eat all the zucchini and have like 6 carbs. That might be an exaggeration, but it's around that. The protein, I'll probably actually have a couple more pieces of chicken to make sure I get enough protein. And I think of white rice as almost a supplement. You know, there's not a whole lot of nutritional density in white rice, but it's just straight up carbs. And I need carbs to fuel my recovery, to fuel my energy for session 1, session 2, all of that. So, you know, I'm not a big supplement guy, but I do supplement protein with whey protein. So drink some of that so that I'm not chewing chicken all stinking day. And white rice is just an easy, quick carb, so I'm not trying to eat just sweet potato after sweet potato all day. So that is what's going on right here. Speaking of whey protein, with me just finishing my workout, I'm thirsty, whey protein, and water. Simple enough, nothing else in there. I'm at City of Lakes CrossFit. This place is fantastic. The owner, Jason, super nice guy, let me come in during open gym time. Just told me to use whatever I want. Obviously, I'm staying clear and out of the way of what anyone else is doing. That's standard protocol, but man, what a great gym. Really enjoying my time here. This main gym area, the floor is not perfectly level. It's good, but it's not perfectly level. I'm very used to that. So this is also super luxurious compared to, you know, an RV park or like a dirt road or something. But I'm absolutely loving dropping into gyms along the way to the CrossFit Games, meeting people, and this gym is no exception. We are currently en route to a quarry pond. I'm gonna do, max effort attempt to put my wetsuit on and swim a little bit. Then take this off and maybe swim some more. Just wanna see what this is like. Next up is Wisconsin. We're off. And it's official. We're in Wisconsin. We'll be in Wisconsin until the end of the CrossFit Games. 2 weeks from today will be the final day of competition for me. And then get to just chill and relax and be a CrossFit fan and cheer on athletes in the elite division. They'll be competing through the weekend, and that's exciting. So entering Wisconsin, I'm excited. You know, earlier this week I was nervous about my training. Had I done enough? All of that. And I was still kind of coming off of the vaccine. Having just completed 3 days of solid training, 1 at the RV park and then 2 at City of Lakes CrossFit. I feel good. Got in the water to do an open water swim yesterday. Okay, body feels good. Some of the nagging things are feeling a little bit better. My tight neck is feeling a little bit better. My elbow isn't bothering me quite as much. So I'm feeling ready. Compared to the last couple of times that I've qualified for the games, you know, the first year, I was just so nervous. I think entering Wisconsin on year 1, I was just straight nervousness. Like, I don't know what to expect. This is just bigger than life. And there's nothing wrong with that. I soaked up that experience as I made it to the games. And oh, this is just going to be amazing. And hopefully I do okay. Like, I just need to do okay. And then the next year I went, I had a similar feeling of like, okay, I did okay the year before. I got 3rd place, and the expectations felt fairly high, but there were only 10 guys in my division, so literally just wanted to be in the middle of the pack. That would be great if I could just do okay. And I never anticipated standing on the podium. And then I won in 2019. Wow, that was great. Now as I cross the state line, you know, I feel confident. I feel like a games athlete, and I'm ready to know what the workouts will be, and in my mind begin to strategize and think through how to approach the workouts with the body that I'm in right now. You know, I think the more and more I do this, the more I get to know my body, my capacity, and still surprise myself at what I'm able to do when I'm in competition in person with other people. Ask me again tomorrow, and I might be on the opposite side of the spectrum, super nervous, scared, afraid, and my body could feel like crap tomorrow. So it's day by day right now.
You've been with me all along, always on my side. You've never gone. You've been with me all along, and you've been holding on for so long. When others would be gone, you stayed with me all along. You've been with me when I laugh or cry. Anywhere I stood, you standing by. With me when I'm fine, with me when I'm not. With me when I'm giving everything I got. With me all along, not a cameo. Every scene, every episode, in every video. Skip no scenario, there anywhere we go. You've been with me all along, always on my side. You've never gone. You've been with me all along, and you've been holding on for so long. When others would be gone, you stayed with me all along. You're still with me, and I hope you stay. We come a long way since the early days. Always had a spot in the escapades, and a suitcase for the getaways. And all along you were always down.